How to get refund on TEMU without returning. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to refund on TEMU without returning. So did you know that for some items, you can get a TEMU refund without returning your item? When returning some items, you may see this message pops up which says you are eligible for a refund without returning anything this time. So you are welcome to keep these items for free. TEMU will process your refund immediately after you submit the refund request. You still can use the free return for this order after this request is processed if needed. Well, this is most likely because it is more cost effective for TEMU to give you a refund without them pay. For return, you will find this out when you go through return process on TEMU and see if you get TEMU refund. For this process, you can simply open TEMU application on your device. On this home page of TEMU, tap on the U section at the bottom of the screen. Make sure that you have logged in or signed into your TEMU account. Now tap your orders. On this section, tap processing and here you will get the option to refund your product. When returning some items, you may also get the message if you are eligible for a refund without returning any item. So in this way, you can get refund on TEMU without returning. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.